What up, folks? Man pulled up to a super local neighborhood in Bangkok today to check out this outlet mall. So I'm gonna walk around, see what they have, see if they have actually any good deals around here. Some Wearix joint with a sale of 70%. I hadn't even heard of that brand. Another 70% off at the Sports Warehouse. Huge Adidas joint. Yo, check this joint out. Remember I was looking for sweatpants? This might be it. Light 20 off from 3K to 2,400. Yeah, I would say 20% off at the outlet shop is kind of disrespectful. Do you guys agree or no? I popped into the New Balance shop to check out what's goody over there. It turns out some of the items that they had, they weren't even on discount, bro. How crazy is that? Why would you bring over the stuff to the outlet shop without putting them on discounts, bruh? Make it make sense, cut. Famski, let me tell you something. This outlet mall is ginormous. Everything is outside, so this whole block, starting from right here, all the way around, so I'm on the opposite side where I just was. So I walked all the way down, turned the corner and turned the corner again on this street right behind me. Man, this is huge. This is huge. Also not very crowded, which I like. Huge. What's the name? Puma shop. Across the street, we have huge Nike store as well. Folks, this is the retail price. This is the after discount price. You reckon it's a good deal? Doesn't look like it to me. Brother man, check these shorts, right? Now check out this Cook-Up. From 2,900 to 2,300. Bruh, that sounds like some fufu discounts, I'm not gonna lie. They got some of this 1 item 30 off, 2 items 40 off, 4 items 50 off. My boy, check this out. What is this? Outlet. Supposed to be free, no? Brother man, check this Forces, new arrival. Just traditional classic silhouette, 3,700. Bro, that's some fufu. Not gonna lie, let me just sit down because man's a bit tired from all the walking around and shit on Nike outlet shop. So most of the discounts out here are like 10-15%, which is, in my opinion, it's a little light for being called an outlet shop, and then most of your stuff is like 10-15% discount. Who is it good for? Who wanna dig around? Yeah, who want to walk around, they got a lot of time, they got a lot of patience, and actually I should say sports people. Bro, if you're trying to gear up sports-wise, anything, soccer kits, anything, pull up. This place will probably get you covered. Secondly, if you have a whole lot of time on your hands, bro, pull up, walk around. Definitely you can find some gems. Most of the stuff is like second tier, at least to my preference. You know what I mean? It's like not something I would cop, but if it's a good deal, okay, I might get it. You know what I mean? Also, it would be good for people who are on a one-night layover around Don Mueang Airport in Bangkok. This shopping mall is super close to the airport. So if you don't want to go into the city, go hit up your Siam Paragons and whatnot, this mall is perfect for you. Right next to it, they have like more of a traditional mall as well. Ginormous food court, some restaurants, solid thing. This will do it for this mall's review. Man's tapping out, but you gotta tap in and hit that subscribe button. Man's out of here. Gotta beat the traffic.